Hello friends, today we will age construction grade pine using 4 different angle grinder discs. I have brought the Lancelot and a steel brush that will give a coarse result, a flap disc grit 80 or so, and finally another type of steel brush with a finer result. Combining some techniques we will be able to get this kind of result. Let's put the finer steel brush to use first. I follow the patterns in the wood, eating up the places leading out from the knots and leaving the knots mostly alone. And do remember, if you are going to use this wood for construction purposes, that it will diminish some of its strength according to how much wood you remove. The fastest disc is the Lancelot. In Norway we also call this a tree chewer, but be very careful when using this disc, you have been warned. I follow up the tree chewer with the flap disc just to smooth the wood down to something that looks like an acceptable sanding job. I finished this particular wood piece off with an interior driftwood base. The solo flap disc works quite well in chewing the wood too, but it will wear out more often. We now put the coarser steel brush to the test, and together with the Shusugi Ban technique and the oil, we can create the distressed brown wood finish you saw in the start of the video. There is no real need to sand, as the burning and brushing will smooth out the coarse finish of the steel brush. This aging of the wood trick is pretty cool, and this will not be the last time you see me do it. And now that I've explained the why and the how, you will have a better understanding of when you can apply this to your projects. I also do have a Facebook group that I hope for you to join. You can post projects there, we can have a loose chat and kind of hang out. And you'll find the link in the description. So, hope to see you there, and until next time. Adiós.